paneer jamun. Hi, hello, vanakkam. Welcome to Dosa Recipes. I am Kanchan Jaykumar. So dear friends, it's going to be a lovely Diwali dhamaka where we are going to just make it as sweets and savories. So it's also called as Suvaika Samika Diwali. So this is going to be a lovely session of Diwali sweets. Do not miss each and every episode. It comes in 2 languages, Tamil and English. Whichever language you're comfortable with, please choose. Try these sweets and keep us posted. Happy Diwali. We're going to have a lovely session of paneer jamuns. These paneer jamuns are yummy, soft and very nice. So let's look into how to do these paneer jamuns. So for this paneer jamuns, first let's boil the milk and we're going to prepare nice paneer, nice and soft paneer so that we get the jamuns well. So here I have squeezed 1 lemon and I'm going to add the juice of this lemon to the milk. It's become hot. See, while it is hot, if you're going to add the lemon juice, they curdle immediately. And be careful to use a strainer, otherwise there might be seeds or some small things which can go into the milk and they get stuck. So when you do the jamuns, what will happen is you will have the taste of the lime. So to avoid that, let's use a strainer and then through the strainer let's add the lemon juice to the milk. Can you see so much of sediment is left? Now keep mixing it nicely. Within few minutes we will get the curdled milk. Have a look at this. The milk has started to curdle and we can see small lump formation. So the paneer is getting formed. Now this is the regular procedure for paneer. Put them in cold water. Put it in a muslin cloth and put it in cold water and then give it a nice squeeze. So what happens is the excess water goes, and if you don't put it in the cold water, what will happen is you will not be able to squeeze and the warmth will still curdle the milk and they might become little rough and hard. So to get soft paneer, what we are doing is we are adding cold water and washing them and giving them a nice press. Now after pressing and squeezing it as much as possible, leave it for at least 10 to 20 minutes so that the little excess water also drains away. Now after 15 minutes, look at this. This is how the paneer is formed, but it isn't soft. So now we need to bring the soft texture to this. So we can either put it in the mixer jar and just give it one small grind, or we can use any pestle mortar, like what we use for the pestle and mortar. We can use that. Just grind it to a soft paneer. See, the paneer has softened nicely. Even visually, I think you will be able to see like it's become really soft. Earlier it was little hard and they were in lumps. Now they have become nice soft paste like consistency. Paneer jamuns. We have again add some paneer rose essence to this. So it's called the paneer jamuns. Meanwhile, let's do this sugar syrup. Here 1 cup of sugar. For this add 2 cups of water. With the same cup you can just measure it, whichever cup you are using for the sugar, and allow this syrup to boil nicely. Now to this paneer, to give it the rose color and the rose essence we are going to add. So what we are going to do is add some pink color to this. I am adding permitted food colors. This is available in jelly type. So I am just adding some pink color to this. You can either add a powder or this kind of a gel. And add 1 spoon of rose essence. This will give a nice flavor. I am adding corn flour now. This is to avoid like any kind of mistake. Suppose sometimes this is not ground properly or some small issues are there, then that can be stabilized by adding this corn flour. So that's why we are adding 1 spoon of corn flour to get a nice proper consistency of the paneer. Press this bell icon and never miss an update from us. So now I have the nice pink color paneer here. Let's make it into small oval balls. Do not press hard. See? We have nice lovely jamuns ready here. Depends on the size and shape you like, you can make this. Now let's look into the sugar syrup. See, the syrup is boiling. Add essence to the syrup also. Main condition for this paneer jamun or rasgullas also are that the syrup should be boiling. Only when it is boiling we are supposed to add these jamuns here. Now let's cover it for 20 minutes completely, so that the steam doesn't escape also. It should be in that kind, then only what will happen is they will increase or double in size. See now, after 20 minutes, can you see this jamuns have doubled in size and they are looking really excellent. So I'm getting a nice flavor also. So dear friends, while you are trying this jamuns or any other recipes from the dosa to pizza, please try to send us the photographs. So dear friends, have a look at this lovely paneer jamuns. Just try this and keep us posted. Dosa to Pizza is all about enhancing your taste buds. If you like this video, press like, subscribe to Dosa to Pizza. Thank you and bye-bye.